Hey guys, it's your girl Kia P with another Dollar Tree hack. Go to your local Dollar Tree and pick up some of these glass bottles, and here's why you're going to do it. They come in three different designs. They have the ones with the bumpy face on them. They have ones that have apples on them, like this one that is a different shade of glass. They have ones that have the spiral rings that goes around. I prefer the bumpy face. I love that design. And then they also have the clear ones that I did not buy because I like the design bottles instead. So, because we are having a problem with our plastic here in America and probably all over the world, being that we are not recycling, I want to make a better imprint on the plastic waste that we have. So my daughter purchased this Brita filter, and so I'm going to use these glass bottles for water on the go. Who would have thought? But I did. I thought it, so I'm sharing it with you guys. This is an excellent way to make an imprint on our plastic waste here in America and abroad. It is bad for our oceans and the ecosystems as well as the coral reefs. So this is my way of contributing to limiting waste with plastic and moving to glass containers and glass bottles. Isn't that cute? But ding ding, another idea came because I want to cut down on my soda intake. So I thought I will make a fresh batch of lemonade and just make it so cute and so just refreshing looking. And y'all, these came out so amazing. So I want to share this with you guys as well. I'm putting some local honey in there for the sweetener. I'm going to perfect this recipe so that it will be 0-calorie sugar, and I'm adding some fresh fruit to this mixture, and this is just going to be so amazing and so beautiful to look at. I am cutting up some fresh fruit here, cutting the strawberries into little slivers so that I can easily put them inside of the bottles. Also, this little glass cutting board and this little knife also are Dollar Tree products, so you can also look at your local Dollar Tree to also grab this little small glass cutting board, which is so good and will not add to the plastic intake into your body that you get from plastic cutting boards. And yeah, for just a mere $1.25. I'm going to show you later on in the video why you want to go and purchase these bottles from your local Dollar Tree. Here I am putting the fruit inside of the bottles. I ran out of strawberries, so I'm going to add some more strawberries and cut those up as well. I needed more strawberries, so again, cutting up some more strawberries and adding those to the remaining bottles. To add a spruce of color, I added some blackberries. You could do kiwi with this if you want it. I think that would be great to go inside these as well, but I chose blackberries, and I might do a kiwi next. And added those to the bottles as well. And again, this little small glass cutting board is such a great size to whip out and cut up things without having to worry about plastic shards from plastic cutting boards. This is why you want to purchase your glass bottles from the Dollar Tree. They are $32.28 at other suppliers. And so here I am cutting up the remaining of the blackberries, and I'm adding those to the jars. Now I'm going to come in with my mixture. I'm going to give it a little stir. Make sure that you use warm water in your mixture so that the powder and the honey will dissolve. I put a touch of honey in each bottle, so I am filling it with the lemonade, and I'm going to give each bottle a shake. These turned out so good. Everyone in training was asking me where I got these from, and when I told them I made them myself, The lady asked me where did I get the bottles. I told her where to go, and she actually ran out and grabbed her some bottles from the Dollar Tree. I believe that this is the last one, giving it a nice final shake. And voila, look at that. Y'all, these taste so good. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe for more tips and tricks from the Dollar Tree.